Are you a small business operating in the construction industry? Are you looking to grow the commercial services and products you offer to your clients? If yes, the Flood Innovation Centre is here to help at no cost to your business. Construction businesses like yours play a key role in reducing flood risk. This includes dealing with excess surface water at the source, reducing the amount of water entering a building, minimising the damage caused by floodwater, and removing it more quickly. There are opportunities for small businesses working at every stage in the construction process to introduce and improve flood resilience. Whatever role you play in the construction process, we can help your business to improve the products and services you provide to your clients. We can provide support to surveyors and consultants working to improve site assessments of flood risk and impact. If you develop and design construction projects, we can work with you to build flood resilience into your solutions. Before you start work, you're going to need to find like-minded businesses who also understand the importance of flood resilience. We can help simplify the planning process by connecting you with those businesses. To plan your flood resilient project, we can help you access the latest products, technologies and materials available. We can also support you to educate subcontractors on flood resilience through supply chain support. Whatever your trade, we can support your business to lead with the latest developments in flood resilience. Flood resilience measures need to be properly maintained to remain effective. This is a great way to build a long-lasting relationship with your clients. As flooding increases, demand for contractors with flood resilience expertise will continue to grow. The support we provide could lead to real commercial benefits and help you to build your flood resilience reputation. We can also introduce you to the basic principles of the Property Flood Resilience Code of Practice, should you wish to gain accreditation for your services. If you work for one of these businesses, get in touch today. You can find out more on our website or complete an inquiry form, or follow us on our socials